Welcome back to the Car Collective, where we bring you the latest news and reviews from the world of cars. Today, we're diving into something truly special, the 2025 Jeep Wrangler. Known for its rugged off-road capabilities and timeless design, the Jeep Wrangler has always been the go-to vehicle for those who crave adventure. And the 2025 model is no exception. Let's take a closer look at what makes this iconic SUV even better. First off, let's talk about the design. The 2025 Jeep Wrangler continues to maintain its classic, boxy look that has made it a legend on and off the road. The front grille, with its 7-slot design and the round headlights, remain as recognizable as ever. However, Jeep has given the 2025 Wrangler some updates that give it a more modern touch without losing its rugged roots. You'll notice some updated fender flares and a slightly refined stance, making it look even more aggressive. The variety of exterior color options and wheel designs gives you plenty of ways to personalize your Wrangler to make it your own. Now, moving inside, Jeep has made some significant improvements to the cabin, enhancing both comfort and technology. The interior of the 2025 Wrangler offers a more refined experience compared to previous models, with higher quality materials and an updated dashboard design. The cabin features durable, yet comfortable seats, perfect for those long off-road journeys. And for tech lovers, Jeep has included a larger 8.4-inch or available 12.0-inch touchscreen with Uconnect 5, offering Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Amazon Alexa integration. You'll also find a new 7-inch digital display behind the steering wheel, giving you key information like speed, navigation, and more, right in your line of sight. And if you're a fan of music, the available Alpine Premium audio system brings the tunes to life even on the roughest trails. When it comes to performance, the 2025 Jeep Wrangler is as capable as ever. Jeep offers a range of engine options, including a 3.6-liter VX6 that delivers 285 horsepower, a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder with 270 horsepower, and even a 3.7-liter eco-diesel VX6 for those who need more torque for off-roading and towing. For those looking to go green, the Wrangler 4X plug-in hybrid model offers 375 horsepower and an electric range that makes it perfect for both city driving and off-road adventures. Whether you're navigating city streets or conquering challenging trails, the Wrangler's off-road prowess is truly unmatched, thanks to features like its solid axles, high ground clearance, and advanced 4X More systems. Speaking of off-roading, the 2025 Wrangler has all the features you need to tackle any terrain. Whether it's rock crawling, sand dunes, or muddy trails, the Wrangler has you covered. The Rubicon trim, in particular, is made for serious off-road enthusiasts, offering features like locking differentials, electronic sway bar disconnect, and rugged tires, designed to take on the toughest challenges. Jeep has also made sure the 2025 Wrangler is equipped with a range of safety features, including adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and forward collision warning. While it's true that the Wrangler is designed primarily for adventure, these added safety features make it a more practical option for daily driving as well. All in all, the 2025 Jeep Wrangler is an incredible package. It blends classic off-road toughness with modern technology and improved comfort. Whether you're taking it off the beaten path or just cruising around town, the Wrangler is built to handle it all. The 2025 model proves that Jeep isn't just keeping up with the times, it's setting new standards in the world of off-road vehicles. Thanks for tuning in to the Car Collective for this deep dive into the 2025 Jeep Wrangler. If you enjoy this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a review. And don't forget to leave a comment below letting us know what you think about the 2025 Wrangler. Until next time, keep your adventures rolling. Better luck next time.